Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Rike Knives District 9. This is a beautiful, beautiful folder. It's quite beefy. It's made in China. It's costing around $350. It's a beautiful titanium frame lock, and it's like 4.75 inches closed and 8.75 inches when open, so not a small guy. The scales are beautifully machined. Like, look at this, it's incredible. The milling they've done is just fantastic. Here on the backspace are very good. It also has like a nice stone wash finish to it with these darker edges going on, and beautiful hardware, titanium. I mean, great job. The blade is also pretty cool. It has like a pretty nice vapor blast kind of finish, like very fine medium wash. It's 3.75 inches long, and it's sporting like an S90V, pretty high-end steel over here. The sound it makes, it's like this. It's very strong and very, I would say, loud, but at the same time pleasant. Very good. When you close the knife, you have this pretty cool sound like this if you just take the blade back into the handle. So very cool sound. Not the loudest, but you know, it's not like silent at all. So you're gonna get noticed when you're gonna flip this guy open. The pocket clip also is very cool. It's machined. It's in titanium. It has you know, a nice tension over here, so it's well done. Very nice. The grip is fantastic. This is a big folder, so the handle is like full size, and it's gonna be perfectly staying in your hand. It's not gonna go anywhere. And the jimping over here also is gonna help you like securing your grip, and it's gonna just feel great in the hand. The action, guys, is phenomenal. This is an action that you usually find in way more expensive knives. Like, it's fast. It's of course running on multi-row bearings. You even have the options to choose if you want to use single row bearings, and you know, it's just fantastic. It just folds shut like a boss. It's just a beauty to hold and to use. So very interesting. Detent is perfectly dialed in, and this feels like an automatic knife. It's so fast and fun to play with, and you're not gonna be disappointed. So there you go. If you enjoyed this quick review, please check out the full-length review. But thanks for watching, and stay tuned.